Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we can find the value of this math question. 5 times 5 divided by 5 times 5. If you know the answer, then send in comment section and wait for my answer that either your answer is right or wrong. Because mostly people can solve this question by this wrong method. 5 times 5 equals 25 divided by 5 times 5 equals 25. 25 divided by 25 equals 1. But this answer is absolutely wrong because the order of operation, which is called PEMDAS rule, which say that multiplication and division have equal priority and we can solve it from left to right. So 5 times 5 equals 25 divided by 5 times 5. Now here we can solve firstly division. So 25 divided by 5 I can write as time 5. Now here 5 and 25 cancel with each other and we can write the question as 5 times 5. 5 times 5 equals 25. This is the final answer of this question. To see more maths video like this, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.